Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the length of end on the Ibis Paint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my canvas. Yes, no comment. So that's, if you want to set the length of the end, click to the hand icon at the upper right corner of the screen. New. If the force fade option is enabled, you can set the second option, the length of the end. If you want to set, click to the circle icon and just pull on the line. You can set the %, or click to the minus or the plus icon, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.